Is he even close in Georgia? Are you concerned that you're misreading Georgia and you're trying to win over the old Georgia, maybe not the new Georgia?
Well, of course, I recognize there are a huge number of veterans in Georgia. There are a lot of active military in Georgia, and a whole lot of those people are Christians. And when this guy says from the pulpit that you cannot be in the military and be a Christian, that's got to be incredibly offensive to those people. It's offensive to me. And also, here's a guy who's invited Fidel Castro to come to his church. There are some people in Georgia who are old enough to remember the terrors of the Castro regime in Cuba, and they're being in line, allied with the Russians in the middle of the Cuban Missile Crisis, that they were going to be the instrument that Khrushchev was going to use. And this guy hasn't come to his church. No. But Georgia has changed. There's no question. Georgia has changed. Georgia's grown enormously. And we have to make sure that our people all get out and vote, because some of the change has been in favor of the Democrats, some of the population changes.
So the one thing that, as Tom Cotton told us yesterday on Fox and Friends, or Tuesday, he said, this is the president, the gain in the state houses, the gain in the House. The fact that you'll almost have the Senate again, even though the odds were stacked against the Republicans, is because of the president. So having said that, the president is ticked off. You could see it in his face. He really feels like he was robbed for this election. Are you concerned that if the president comes out and only talks about his election and his disenchantment with the system, that it will discourage the turnout? And will you express that to him if true?
I don't believe the president would come down here with that intention or purpose. Yes, the man got 74 million votes for president. And there are plenty of things that smell funny. Just the problem you have in this is you got to have about 3 to 5 states, and in each state you have to prove that there were more illegal votes than the difference in the election, because that's the standard for turning out elections. There has to be more illegal votes than the difference between the two. That's kind of blaming for being mad, let's just say. But also, I know that he loves the country. I know he's proud of what he's done. And I know that he realizes it will be absolutely, totally erased in record time if they are able to get rid of the filibuster and change the rules of the Senate. It won't take them a year to do those things. And he doesn't want that. He is proud of his record of success for the country. And, I think it's just terrible that it happened, that COVID came along when it did, because the country was hitting the best economic period in 50 years. You just look at the numbers. Yeah. Don't take my word for it.
Even with the impeachment and the Mueller report, he was en route to possibly an easy win against the worst candidate in my lifetime. They didn't even try and said it was because of the pandemic, but I don't believe he was capable of actually campaigning, so it was the perfect storm. Governor, I'm going to have to end it there, but good luck for them to have the two bigwigs, you and Karl Rove down there. That's how much it means to Republicans. We'll see the vice president will be there today, Barack Obama will be there today, and the president there tomorrow. So you are in the eye of the storm again. Governor Haley Barbour, thank you.
Thank you, Bob.
You got it. 1-866-408-7669. I'll be back with you in a second.
Now, the 3 big things you need to know, powered by Safe Touch Security.
Helping students travel to school safely, FDOT says soon they will be upgrading over 100 school zones in the Northeast Florida area. 245,000 jobs added in the U.S. last month, the 5th straight monthly slowdown. Now, it is a mild finish to the work week with a chance of rain this evening and overnight. I'm Jeremy Ratliff.
WOKV just wrote a check in the WOKV holiday payroll payout.
Hi, this is Lisa from Jacksonville, and I just want to get the OKV.
Listen weekdays at 8 a.m., 10, noon, 2 and 5 p.m. for your chance to win. This is a nationwide contest. Message and data rates apply. Complete rules